Hello, everyone. This is about an idea I posted long back in 2019 about having a more easy to read experience on various Salesforce digital properties like their blogs, and especially now on Trailhead because we all read a lot. So, Trailhead reading experience is excellent on devices like iPad or on mobile. They support a very good readable view, they support dark mode and everything. But on web browser, it is okay, but it can be better. What I have done personally, which works well for myself, is I have shown in this idea also. Like if I'm on this Trailhead page, I use this Chrome extension called Mercury Reader, or it's called Postlight Reader now. So if you click on this one, it will immediately make it very soothing and easy to read, and you can consume the whole content without putting a lot of strain on your eyes. And again, you can change it to your taste. Somebody likes serif fonts, I like sans more. Some still like light theme, that's okay. And for some guys, this might be a big font size. They might want a medium one, and it remembers the settings. So my only request to Trailhead team is to have similar kind of view for Trailhead at least, because we read a lot on Trailhead. And I don't know how much this feature will be useful, but maybe for the Kindle fans, a future feature could be to have it sent to Kindle as well. And those friends of mine who are using Safari, they can basically get benefited from the reader view here. It is supported here. So you still get reader view, but I somehow like the post light reader more, this extension. So, and the good thing is, if you are still a Safari fan, you can auto enable it on Trailhead website. So you will get all the modules and everything shown like this. Like, let me refresh this page. It is coming automatically like this. If I will go to some another page, it will again automatically show up like this. I'm not a big fan of this view. I can still do some tweaks and things like I can change it to dark. I can find another way similarly. So if we can have a little bit of that sort by default, maybe on Trailhead, it can really help, especially for those guys who are not aware of these features. But in the meantime, you can definitely make good use of this reader's view if you are on Safari, or you can go to this Postlight Reader on Chrome. Both are equally good and very easy on your eyes. Hope this video helps. And if you think that this idea is still valid, you want this natively supported on all browsers, like you want to keep your own preference of how the phone should look, how the dark mode should come on Trailhead. So maybe I'll put this idea. I will put the link as well. That's all. Thank you.